Hello friends, how are you all? I know many of you are stressed because of the rising number of coronavirus cases. Even I was scared and stressed some days back. That's why I decided to analyze this number. So, let us look at these numbers. Well, as of today, the total number of people who got affected because of the coronavirus in the world are 62 lakhs, out of which 30 lakh 65,000 patients have been recovered. That means 50% of the people in the world have recovered. Now, let us look at Indian scenario. The total number of people who got affected because of coronavirus in India are 1,86,371, out of which 88,868 patients have been recovered. That means the active cases stands 92,294, out of which 5,269 people have died. That means 3% of the people who got affected in India have died. But let's just compare this number to the world. The total number of people who have died in the world is 3,71,764. So if you compare that number with Indian number, the Indian is just 1.41%. So is the coronavirus scary or no? Well, I don't know about it, but I can surely say that the recovery rate in India is better than the rest of most of the countries. So many of you might say that I am not used to staying at home and lockdown and social distancing. Well, life always throws challenges upon us. It's up to us how we look at it. And especially the people who are born in 90s like me have never seen things like World War I, World War II, Indian struggle for independence. So basically we have not evidence in our life the struggle, except the struggle which we do for success or achieving things. So I think coronavirus has taught me the struggle in a pandemic, how a collective effort of a nation can help the nation and its people, and third, patience. Well, I'm not saying that most of you are not patient, but obviously coronavirus has made us more patient than what we were. Most of you are saying that still, that worry keep coming in the mind. Well, I would like to quote one theory which Gaurav Gopal Das has mentioned in his book. He says that whenever you have problem in your life, think about two things: whether you can do anything about it or you can't. If you can't do anything about it, then stressing or taking stress about it is going to solve a problem. Yes or no? If the answer is no, then don't stress yourself. I would also like to mention that doctors always say that exercise, meditate, do yoga, keep yourself in healthy conditions. So coronavirus has tested us in that way. Even Darwin's theory is applicable here. That as a nature's law says that survival of the fittest. So I think coronavirus is testing us mentally as well as physically. So it's very important to keep your mental state healthy as well as your physical strength. So use this opportunity to get back on fitness and boost up your immune system and do things which will help you to keep your mental and physical strength. I would like to end this video on a note that make best use of this time and come out of it strong. Together we can and together we will.